Hello everyone, Sophia here, and I'm back today with an exciting video. So today we actually going to do a video, and this is the whitening of your underarm. You know, when we use the deodorant, or here underarm is always a bit dark. You know, some people's arm is a bit dark sometimes. Well, can see my one is sometimes a bit dark too because of the deodorant. So today I have a solution for that can actually whiten your underarm and make it becomes brighter. So, and of course we're going to use lemon juice, the lemon, and baking soda. I know lemon is good for tightening the skin. Baking soda, one of the uses of baking soda is for cold and can be used to relieve cold and flu, and also can be used on insect bites. So let's go ahead and start our method or recipe. So I'm actually going to throw for this recipe, I'm going to pour some baking soda on this on the lemon, and then I'm going to rub this underneath my arm for a few minutes. Let I just add some more to it. So I'm just going to use this lemon here for both arms. So we're going to add here for a few minutes. I've never tried this before, so it's good, and let's see if it will get it a little bit brighter from the darkness. So just rub it here for a few minutes, and we're going to go to the next one. Let that stay. So you're just going to do it for a few minutes, and then we're finished. You can just rinse your arm, but I'm going to just use my wipes to wipe my arm and see the finished result. And this is it. This can be done every day. Just a piece of lemon and some baking soda. Let's do the other arm. So, it's not bad, because sometimes the deodorant, it's a bit dark here, but I can see the finished result. When it's using every day, it's more and more, it becomes brighter, back to your normal skin color. So, this is the finished result. So, and this is a good way to actually brighten your skin. So, and it's not affecting your body, and it's something that we normally use in our kitchen, baking soda and lemon. So yeah. So anyway, this is my video for today, and but I want you to check out my blog, www.bagofbeautytips.de, and I will post this video online, and then I will also post the recipe, the preparation for this recipe also. So until next time, and I need your feedback. Please like and share my video. I will also post on Facebook, so please like and share my video. And I need your feedback. Please try my recipe. Trust me, they are superb results from all of these videos that I'm actually posting. So try them. Bye, until next time, bye.